battery clean. There's corrosion on this. You can see that corrosion that keeps the current from flowing. So we've got corrosion here. We're just going to loosen this bolt up here, and we want to clean this good. So we're going to pull the cable off. You can see the inside. There's corrosion in there. That keeps current from flowing. So we're going to clean all this up here. You can see all that stuff on the post too. So we got some battery terminal cleaner here. This also has some leak for dye to see if it turns red. It's got like a dye. See how that turns red? It's a dye that lets you know that, hey, this is corroded. So we're gonna let this sit on there and soak for a minute. We're gonna let this soak on the battery for a minute. Okay, and I'm gonna pull the other side off because we'll might as well clean that too. We always disconnect the negative cable first and then the positive second, in that order, in case your ratchet on the positive side hits the frame, it doesn't arc. Notice I'm using a small ratchet on purpose so we don't have sparks flying. So we'll put a little bit here. This one looks pretty clean, this side, but we'll just clean that up too. We're gonna clean the posts here. This is a post cleaner. This is a terminal cleaner. We're gonna use the post cleaner, and we just go down here, and it is a wire brush that cleans the inside of the outside of the post here. We're gonna clean both of these. We want all the corrosion off. And then we're just gonna wipe this off. You can use water, but be careful when you are using water. Move this here. When we are moving, or when we are doing water, that water can get down these caps, and that can cause issues because we don't want this cleaner to go in and ruin the battery, because this battery cleaner is a base, and acids and bases, we know, doesn't work. Okay, so after we do that, we're gonna clean this. This is the post. So I'm gonna use the inside here. I'm gonna clean all that out and clean this outside. Just turned it all red. Just cleaned it up though. Got all that corrosion off. So we want to get that off both. And then we just want to wipe this down too. All right. Get all this off of there. We're going to use some terminal protector for you. Okay, when we reassemble, we're gonna go positive first. So reverse procedure, positive first. Make sure these are nice and tight. We don't want to break them loose. Going down the freeway. Let's go, okay, and then negative second here. Okay. Just down. They sell washers to keep corrosion from moving back and forth across the battery. If there's any water across the battery, those little felt washers keep the acid from spreading across the battery, shorten it out.
Good enough. I was on PSO on this.
They are. Okay, we're gonna put the little piece in there. They have these little pieces. Okay. And we've got some terminal protectors. this stuff will help protect it. And then that way, hopefully we don't see the corrosion in the future. So we just put this on, you can see. And that will air dry. That's it.